We have so many changes coming up.
And they're big ones. It's cool. It's going to be cool.
Big changes. I mean, this weekend was so nice and spring-like. Everything started to bloom, and we thought we were done with winter, but no. Here's a look at our live view in San Francisco. We're going to see the winds picking up today. Gusts could reach 60 miles per hour for the coast as well as the hills. Even in the valleys, it's going to be breezy today. And over the next couple of days, our high temperatures will only reach the 40s and low 50s. We're going to see the rain off and on even through next week. And then we could see some snow coming down in elevation to about 1,500 feet starting on tomorrow, continuing through Thursday. And below that, even at 500 feet, we could see a wintry mix of rain and snow. We could also see hail possible over the next few days. So we're going to have a real mixed bag of weather here. And it starts today with our temperatures about 10 degrees cooler than yesterday at this time. And then as we go into tomorrow, you can see the cooling trend that will continue. Once again, highs only reaching the low 50s and even colder on Thursday. That continues into Friday as well. I don't know when the last time I've seen this. I don't know if I've ever seen this. A winter storm watch for our Bay Area hills. This includes the Santa Cruz Mountains as well as the Santa Clara Hills, including Mount Hamilton. There could be some dangerous travel in these areas, and this is above 1,500 feet. So that's some very low elevation snow for the Bay Area. But we're also going to see more moisture coming in over the next few days. And so at surface level, sea level around the Bay Area, we could see a lot of rain as well as a little bit of hail mixed in. There appears to be a brief break on Saturday, but then another storm system comes in on Sunday, and that continues through next week. So our rain outlook shows a lot of rain here over the next 7 days. The potential of in these areas of pink, that's 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. And our temperatures are going to be very chilly. We're in the mid 60s for Fairfield today, but then only upper 40s for Friday. And it's going to be a chilly weekend, at least into much of next week. We're going to have some much colder than normal temperatures. But once again, the impacts of all of this rain as well as the potential of snow on the hills, we're going to be watching that, and it's going to be changing day by day. So keep checking back in for those updates.